Introducing the Cereal Containers Storage Set Large, a must-have for kitchen and pantry organization. This set includes 4 4L, 135.2 ounces, airtight food storage containers, designed to keep your cereals fresh and crunchy. With 4 side locking lids and silicone sealants, moisture is kept out, ensuring prolonged freshness. Start your mornings off right with our cereal storage containers that guarantee healthy and delicious cereals every time. But that's not all. This set is a superior bundle that includes a chalkboard marker, labels, and a measuring spoon set. It's the perfect gift to keep everything organized in your kitchen. These containers are not just for cereals. They are versatile and can be used for storing oatmeal, crackers, cookies, snacks, flour, sugar, nuts, coffee, pasta, and other dry food items. We've designed these containers with convenience in mind. The superior pout lid allows for easy pouring without having to open the top. The ergonomic grip and sleek, stackable design make these containers easy to handle and save valuable space in your pantry. Not only are these containers functional, but they also add to the style of your kitchen with their sleek design. The countertop cereal dispenser set will revolutionize your pantry organization and storage. Plus, they are easy to clean, use, and handle in the kitchen. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Get the Cereal Containers Storage Set Large today and experience the benefits of organized and fresh pantry items. Don't wait, order now.